Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Bluetooth speakers to Firestick. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Firestick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Alright, let's get started. To do so, I have an Oraimo Rover speaker ready to go. All I need to do is follow step by step when you get it. So just go over to the gear icon at the right here, and come down till you find controllers, Bluetooth devices. There you are. Now you're looking either at game controllers, Amazon Fire TV remote, or other Bluetooth device. Click on other Bluetooth devices and come to add Bluetooth device. From there, you're going to search for the device. That's my speaker right there, Oraimo Rover. So click on the Rover. It could be any speaker at all, and you can adjust the volume on the remote. You could use the speaker to fire out music, fire out audio from a movie or streaming, or whatever be the case. So that's how you connect your speaker, Bluetooth speaker, to the Fire Stick. I hope that was useful. I hope the video was insightful. If it was, drop a like below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. This is DaveTech signing out.